How's it going, guys? My name is Ronnie, aka Ronnie Macaroni, and yes, welcome to my channel, Rock on Run. So for today, we're going to do my very first video here on YouTube. So it's New Year 2021, and I decided to get a new hobby, which is RC cars and starting a YouTube channel. So yes, for today, we're going to unbox and review this awesome RC car, which is the WLTOYS 124019. This is an awesome RC car. This is just released last year, I think November 2020, and there's a lot of reviews going on in YouTube for this particular RC, and most people like it. It is a budget RC car for its price, which is roughly $100+. I got this from Lazada through shipping from China to Philippines, and it took me 5 to 15 business days for this item to arrive, plus shipping. So it's more or less $100. In my case, 5,500 pesos. So yes, it is awesome. So once again, on the box on the front, it shows two particular models of this RC car. The one that I ordered is this one, the purple, the white, and the black, the 124019. And this one right here is the 124018, and it shows on the side of the box those two models. Basically, these RCs are the same model under the same chassis. The difference is the body type. It just had different bodies under same chassis. So on the other side, it shows I think the basic instructions for this RC on how to operate the controller and how to charge the controller, and yes, how to operate the basic instructions. Okay, awesome. So yes, once again, we're going to unbox this right now, and we're going for a ride. This is gonna be awesome. So hold on and let's see what's inside of this box, this 124019. So yes, we're going to remove the cover right now of this awesome box right here, this awesome RC car, WLTOYS 124019. And this is the other side of the box, the top cover. And yes, quick peek inside, and you can see the manual and the charger for this particular RC car. And closer look to that. Awesome. And this is the basic layout of the contents inside. As you can see, it's nicely packaged, it's secured. It doesn't have styrofoam, but it does have cardboard supports, which is awesome. And yes, let's take a quick look inside the manual right here for this RC. Once again, this is the charger. You can plug this charger to any cell phone charger. It does have a USB plug right here, and the other outlet is connected to the battery of this RC car. It's rechargeable. Awesome. And let's take a quick peek of this manual right here. This is the front page, electric RC car manual. And what you can see inside is the basic layout of the parts for this particular RC. So for example, this will be useful just in case if you broke something, if you crashed something. Just look at this manual and see what the parts that you have to replace. And also, this manual includes the catalog, the parts catalog for this particular RC, the parts that you need to upgrade or replace. Just look at this catalog right here, and you know what to order. By the way, if you're going to buy upgrade parts for this car, there's a lot of parts available in Lazada, eBay, or Banggood.com. Awesome. So yes, once again, this quick peek inside, it looks awesome. So I'm going to remove the car right now. So just like I said, this is the cardboard supports. It's nice, awesome. And two of those. And yes, this is the actual RC. Wow, it does have some weight on it. That's a premium feel. Look how awesome that is. Okay, so cool. So by the way, the reason why that I bought this car is because for its price, which is $100 or more, it does feel premium. It does have metal aluminum alloy shock towers, and also it does have a metal chassis. Yes, that's metal alloy, aluminum metal alloy. So yes, the other contents is the actual controller right here, and let's remove the box. And yes, this is the controller right here. So we're going to remove that right now. And yes, as you can see, looks nice, it feels nice, it is ergonomic. Actually, you can operate this using one hand if you can. So this is the steering and the throttle right here, and the power source of this particular controller, you need 4 AA batteries. Okay, so I'm back again, and the car is outside of the box right here. It's on the table, and once again it looks awesome. Quick look on that, and yes, I really like it. The color combination and everything, the quality, and yes, and once again the color combination matches what I'm wearing right now, which is black, white, and purple. So it's like a match made in heaven, like a lovely couple. And this, once again, is my baby. Okay, I'm just kidding. So yes, once again, let's do a quick test run of this car and see how it sounds like. First, we're going to pop the hood. Let's pop the hood. By the way, for you to be able to get inside of this RC, you have to remove this body pins, one in the front right here and one at the back. And yes, it's easy to remove, just pull it sideways, and this is how it looks like, the body pin. Okay, there's 2 pieces of those, and I'm going to remove the body right now. Ta-da! And yes, this body is flexible plastic, which is useful for absorbing impacts, and this is replaceable. Just in case if you broke one of these, it's easy to replace. Just order one from Lazada, eBay, or Banggood.com. Okay, awesome. So let's put that aside and see what's inside. So we have pop the hood, and this was inside of this RC car. It does have an easy controller 2-in-1 receiver combo right here. And this is a 550 size motor. This is brushed motor, and also it does have 2S LiPo batteries. This is rechargeable, and there's the connector to that battery. This one on the ESC. Okay, yeah, pump it, baby, pump it. Right there. And let's connect the battery right now to the ESC and see how it sounds like. All you gotta do is plug this battery and ESC combo and turn on the ESC. Okay, just hold on. Okay, so it is plugged, and on the ESC you will see a small switch, the red switch. Just push that, and as you can hear, it beeps, right? So it will automatically sync into this controller once it's turned on, and once you turn this controller on, it will light up. Okay, so now it's fully synced, and let's see how it sounds like. Just like I said before, you can actually operate this using one hand if you can, although it might look awkward. This is the steering. It does have good response to it, and the trigger, yeah, pull the trigger, it will go forward, and if you push the trigger, it will go backwards. Yes, it sounds really fast, and it does have like an impact to it, like a force to be reckoned with. Okay, awesome. So let's put back the body right here. So by the way, this body right here, it does include some protective plastic coating, which I'm going to remove right now. Which reminds me, if you buy a new monitor or a cell phone, you can remove this plastic protective film and to reveal the true beauty of this RC car. Okay, it's shiny, and I like the color combination. Just like I said, it's the same what I'm wearing right now, purple, white, and black. It's like a match made in heaven, like a lovely couple. And this is my baby. Okay, I'm just kidding. So let's put the body pins back on this RC car. Okay, it's really awesome. And we're going to do a quick test run on the table. So yes, okay. Let's be careful with it because, oh yeah, it's really fast. It does have a good response to the controller to the car. Yes, and it does have an impact to it. Yes, because of the weight of this car, it's heavy. So I'm going to warn you, if you're going to get hit with one of these cars at full speed, you might get injured because this is really fast and it does have some weight on it. It doesn't have an impact. So you better be careful when you're running this. So yes, once again, oh, by the way, before you run this car, you have to put generous amounts of grease in the differentials. You have to remove this cover right here and disassemble this assembly right here on the front and the back. Actually, there's a lot of tutorials on YouTube on how to do it, and I already done that to put some grease on the differentials, because fresh from the factory, it does not include generous amounts of grease, and it might sound like geary sound. It does not sound smooth out of the box. Okay, so you do that also to prolong the life of the gears inside the differentials, to make it sound better and make it run better as well. And once again, yes, this RC car is really awesome. I highly recommend it, and I give it a 2 thumbs up. Actually, not just 2 thumbs up, 3 thumbs up. Actually, make it 4, including my toes. I'm just kidding. So it's 4 thumbs up, like a 4-wheel drive. So yes, once again, good job WLTOYS for this awesome RC car. I really liked it. Okay, so once again, that wraps up my very first video here on YouTube. It's been awesome. I highly appreciate it. I really enjoyed making and unboxing and reviewing this awesome RC car, the WLTOYS 124019. And I'm planning to do more content soon, maybe some speed runs and endurance tests on this particular RC. I'm also going to upgrade it, some repair tips, for example. And also I'm planning to make some mixed content on YouTube, for example, maybe gaming or song covers. What do you suggest? Okay, awesome. So yeah, if you like what you see, hit the subscribe button. I will highly appreciate it. Thank you so much, and the bell button as well. And yes, it's been awesome once again. This is Ron. Rock on and have a good day. And yes, have a good one.